Okay, so in this video, I will demonstrate yung IP addressing workbook. Okay, like first requirement is for you to find out the class. Again, as what we've discussed in the IP addressing, is knowing the class its basis is on the first number. Diba? You need to take note ha, memorize dapat yung mga range. Like 0 to 127 is A, 128 to 192 is B, 128 to 191 is B, 192 to 223 is C. Oh, so what class is this? Looking at the first number. This is 192, so it's under C. Okay? Again, you refer on the IP addressing discussion. And then here is you use this one, no, highlight text. Okay? You need to find the network part and host part. So first thing to know is yung class. Like 209 is class C. 1922223, diba yung first number in class C? So, and take note that in class C, yung first three numbers are network part. So, in here, you are to find the network part. Okay? Oh, this is 199. Again, class C. So, first three. Okay? In here, host part. Okay? Like, this is 198. Also class C. Ang host part sa class C is the last one. Example, this is 17. This is A. Class A. So, yung last three numbers are the host part. Highlight nyo. Okay? And then, next part, here, you find the network address. For you to get the network address, you make 0 the host part, right? Example, in here, this is 255. This means that this 192, 149, and 24 are all network parts. This is 0. It indicates that this 191 is the host part. So, therefore, you make you make the host part 0. So it means the network address here is 192.149.24.0. Okay? How about this one? Oh, if your answer is 150.203.0.0, that's correct. You just look at this, diba? 0.0, then you make this 0. Okay? There. And then, next is yung host address, the opposite. So you make this, you align the subnet mask to the IP address. And then if it's 255, it is aligned to 255, you make it 0. That's how you solve this, like this one. The answer here is 0.0.0.11. I have answered it. There's also an example here. Okay? Then, subnet mask. For you to know the subnet mask, you look at the class like this 191. This is class B, right? So what's the default subnet mask of class B? 255.255.0.0. Again, you refer on the IPv4 address video discussion. Okay? This one is 119. That is class A. Okay, 0 to 127 is A. Okay? So on default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. This is class C. 192.223. Ang default subnet mask is 3255. That's 0. Diba? For class C. And then, the last part in this workbook is the subnetting. Okay, subnetting. If you remember that subnetting, I have a separate video discussion for the subnetting. There's also an example here. Okay, I will also cite an example like this one. What class is this? You look at the network address. That's 210. So that's a class C. Okay. What's the default subnet mask of class C? 255.255.255.0. That's under IP addressing discussion. And then what is the subnet mask? The requirement is 30 hosts. Okay. Remember our formula that the number of do I have spaces here? I think better to write here. So the number of usable hosts per subnet is equal to 2 raised to m minus 2, if you remember. So you play around with m, right? Example, if m is 5, so that's 2 raised to 5. Okay, say for example, if my m is 5, say, wait. Okay, let's say, if my m is 5, so that's 2 raised to 5, which is 32, minus 2, that's 30 hosts. Okay, so that's good for this requirement, right? That's exact. So it means that my m is 5. And then, how do we get the subnet mask? That's 32 minus the m. 32 minus 5, which is slash 27. Okay, slash 27. And what is slash 27? It's 255.255.255.224. Okay, there. Okay, this one is I'll just write the prefix. This one is slash 24. Okay, there. Next, total number of subnets. Total number of subnets is the it's 2 raised to n, where n is the number of borrowed bits. Number of borrowed bits. Okay, the borrowed bits are the bits added to the default subnet mask. If you notice this one, this is 24 and then it became 27. So how many bits were added? 3, right? Or what you can do is in finding out the total number in finding the n, what you do is uh, for the n is equal to just subtract the custom subnet mask to the default. Okay, default subnet mask. Like in this case, is 27 minus 24, which is equal to 3. Okay, and using this formula, therefore, okay, that the number of subnets is, therefore, the total number of subnets is 2 raised to, I'll just write it somewhere here, okay? So that the total number of subnet is 2 raised to 3. My n is 3, so 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. Okay, so there are 8 subnets. If you have a slash 27, there are 8 subnets. That's what you're doing there. Next, total number of hosts. Total number of host addresses is 2 raised to m. Okay, again 2 raised to m. This total number of host addresses is 2 raised to m. This number of usable addresses is this one, the one we're computing. This is the formula here is 2 raised to m minus 2. Okay. Again, take note our m is 5, right? Again, we obtain m obtained is 5 based on what we compute. So 2 raised to 5 is 32 minus 2. That's 30 hosts. 30 hosts. Okay, and then for this one, it's 2 raised to m. So that's only 2 raised to 5, which is 32. Okay, 32 hosts. That's how it is. And then the number of bits borrowed, we already solved that. That's 3. Okay. There. Okay. So I had an example of this. If you find it like confusing on the first run, you rewind, okay, and you double check. If there are any questions, especially on this part, I know that there will be a few of you who will find this part difficult because there are some of you who are not that good in math. So you just ask me a specific question in Facebook group chat, or during our, you can also ask me a question during our Zoom session. So this ends my demonstration for this activity. Thank you and keep safe and continue learning as one.